Good morning students. Welcome to English class of a standard 8. Today we have to start our section 2, that is the Canterville Ghost. You also take a test. Canterville Ghost, it's a funny story written by Oscar Wilde. A ghost tries to frighten a new occupants of this Canterville Chase. Canterville Chase nu pannal it is a British house, a large British house, that is Canterville Chase. But in the story described about the story of a ghost, he tries to frighten the people who lived in the chase, but in this he tried to succeed or not. Let us look for that. So let's start our lesson. When Mr. Hiram B. Otis, an American minister, bought Canterville Chase, but everyone told him not to buy this case. Hiram B. Otis, he was an American minister. Minister here means is a religious leader, trained religious leader. He bought Canterville Chase, but everyone told him not to. He was doing a very foolish thing, not to buy this chase. There was no doubt that the place was visited by, or the place was haunted. Haunted here means it was visited by a ghost. So it is a not to leave that place. And so Lord Canterville himself had felt in his duty to mention the fact to Mr. Otis before he bought the house. But Lord of Canterville also say that not to buy this chase. But he did not heard their words. So Mr. Otis, however, laughed at his warnings and bought the house. And a few weeks later, he and his wife, their son Washington, their daughter Virginia, and their twin boys moved to Canterville. After this, what happened? After buying this chase, they came to this Canterville Chase, and Mr. Otis and his wife, their son Washington, and their daughter Virginia all came to, and they had twin boys. They all moved to this Canterville Chase. Then after this, what happened? When they arrived at the house, an old woman was standing on the steps to meet them. When they reached the Canterville Chase, an old woman waiting on the doorsteps to receive them. This was Mrs. Umni. Who received them? Mrs. Umni. Who was Mrs. Umni? She was the housekeeper of that chase, who had worked in the house for Lord and Lady Canterville. She was worked there as a housekeeper. And welcome to Canterville Chase, she said, and took them through the house to a library where tea was waiting for them. They welcomed, this woman welcomed the members to their house, and she was preparing tea for them. After they had taken off their coats and hats, they sat down while Mrs. Umani poured the tea. Then after they take off their coats and hats, and they were sitting there to drink tea. Suddenly Mr. Otis caught the sight of a dull red stain on the floor just by that fireplace. Then suddenly they saw a red stain. A red stain here means this is a dirty mark, but that mark cannot be moved or removed. Stain, a dirty mark on the something that is difficult to remove. That is dirty mark, but that cannot be removed. And it was a see where the fireplace. You can see this picture. There was a blood stain here that cannot be removed. That was the thing. Okay, can you see this one? Okay. And I am afraid something has been split there. Mrs. Sumani, she said. Then Mrs. Sumani says that is some, oh, I am afraid that something there was split there. Yes, madam, replied the old housekeeper in a low voice. അപ്പം അവർ മിസ്സസ് ഓട്ടീസ് പറഞ്ഞപ്പം പറയുകയാണ്, യെസ് മാഡം, സംതിങ് വാസ് ദ ആൻഡ് ബട്ട് ബ്ലഡ് ഹാസ് ബീൻ സ്പിൽറ്റ് ഓൺ ദ സ്പോട്ട്. വാട്ട് വാസ് ദ സ്റ്റെയിൻ ഓഫ് എ ബ്ലഡ്, അതായത് ബ്ലഡ് കൊണ്ടുള്ളൊരു മാർക്കാണ് അവിടെ അവിടെ ആ സ്ഥലത്ത് വീണിരിക്കുന്നതെന്നാണ് മിസ്സസ് സുമണി റിപ്ലൈ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. How awful, cried Mrs. Ophid. I don't care at all the bed stain in the sitting room. It was just removed at once. How, what a thing that a blood stain was on the sitting room. Can you remove it at once? The blood stain വീണ് അന്നേരം അത് റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യണ്ടേ? ആരെ ചോദിക്കാം? മിസ്സസ് ഓട്ടീസ് ചോദിക്കുക. And the old woman smiled and answered in the same low, mysterious voice. Then the old woman smiled and said in a low voice, mysterious voice here means this in a strange voice. It is the blood of a lady Eleanor of Canterville, who was murdered on that very spot by her own husband Sir Simon of Canterville. അപ്പം it was the blood of a lady of Eleanor. അതായത് ആരുടെ ബ്ലഡാണ്? ഇവിടെ താമസിക്കുന്ന ലേഡി ഓഫ് എലിനർ, അവരുടെ ബ്ലഡാണ് ഇവിടെ വീണിരിക്കുന്നത്. ബിക്കോസ് ഷീ വാസ് മർഡേർഡ് ബൈ ഹിയർ ഹസ്ബൻഡ് നെയിം വാസ് സർ സൈമൺ ഓഫ് കാൻറ്റർവില്ലെ in 1575. This incident was happened in 1575. Sir Simon disappeared 9 years later and his body has never been found. Then after this 9 years he was also disappeared, but he never found. And his guilty ghost remains on the chase. And what happened here? His guilt is this ghost haunted here. That is the reason. The bloodstain had been admired by visitors to the house, and it cannot be removed. It was admired by the visitors who came to this house. They were very like to see this bloodstain. That's all nonsense, cried Washington Otis. Washington Otis says that it's all nonsense. Pinkerton stain remover can, a perfect cleaner will clean it up very quickly. And then Washington Otis says that it can be removed with Pinkerton's stain remover. It is a perfect cleaner, so it can be removed with that. And so it is a to say this is a very, very nonsense. Okay. And before the housekeeper could interfere, he had fallen on his knees and was rubbing the floor with his small stick. Then another thing was not to say the Washington Otis sit there and to remove this mark. In a few minutes the blood stain had disappeared. Then Washington Otis removed with a second this blood stain. So I knew Pinkerton would do it, he cried. He looked around to his admiring family. He looked at the family and says that Pinkertons would remove this mark. But as soon as he said these words, a terrible flash of lightning lit up the room. Then he says this, lightning lit up that room. A fearful crash of thunder made them jump from their feet, and Mrs. Sumani fainted. Then after this, a thunder was also happened in that room. Then to hear this thunder, Mrs. Sumani was fainted. Mrs. Sumani അന്നേരം തല കറങ്ങി വീണു. അത് ഇടിയുടെ ഒച്ച കേട്ടപ്പോഴത്തേനും. In a few minutes, however, she was able to sit up. There was no doubt that she was very unhappy. Then after minutes, she was able to sit up, but she was not a happy mood. And she warned Mr. Otis that trouble would come to the house. Something was happened in this house. Who says that? Mrs. Sumani says to the house owners. That's about today's class. You read the lesson and understand the meaning. Okay, thank you.